Good day, everyone. Jordan, Hayes' Homestead. Got the boys here, and this is our first year doing 4-H. We thought we were going to kind of get by with just doing some like small woodworking projects and such. But what did you guys decide?
We're going to show goats. We're going to show goats.
They want to show goats. So we only have 2 wethers right now, and they're not necessarily show goats, and they're a few years old. So the boys have been working very hard. What have we been working on?
Woodworking, trays and stuff, and key hooks.
So they've been building a lot of trays, just like little food trays, keychain hooks, stuff like that, that they are selling. Oh, and coasters. And they are selling that to raise money to buy these goats. We posted it online, and they got just a massive amount of orders, and we've been cranking that out the last couple weeks. And they've raised enough money now to get goats. Excited?
Yeah.
So now we gotta go get these goats. We found some, and we only have like a big 25-foot stock trailer that I don't want to haul 2 hours to get a few goats. So we're gonna build a rack that goes in the bed of the truck today. So here's the bed of the truck. This is a long bed. We got the toolbox up front. We're scrapping together all the 2x4s that we have, and just kind of doing this by the seat of our pants here. But basically, we're gonna put 2x4s in each of the stake pockets. We got 4, 2 on each side here. And then we're just gonna build a cage that's about cab high and make it work. I got some hog panels that we can use, and we'll see what happens. Well, apparently we measured the width in the back. We got our measurement, and I cut boards for the back and the front, assuming this was square. But we're like 3 inches difference width-wise from the back to the front. So I guess measure twice and cut once.
Measure both parts?
Yeah, should have measured up here. I just assumed it was square.
Yeah.
But it definitely narrower in the rear than it is up here.
So the cows are up here right now. This area, we've been working really hard on the pasture. It's looking way better. We're trying to clear a bunch of trees out. So the boys cleared all this, and it looks awesome. And this, we cleared tons. And then over past Tito and Tandra there on the left, there was a bunch of blackberries before. So this is getting much better. Oh, there's a little sirloin over there, snoozing.
All right, here's a little update we got. I'm putting these front boards on right now. We'll put a upright right here. It's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with it. And if you didn't see, there's the 2x4s notched. This is 1.5 by 2 inches, I believe these stake pockets are.
1.5 by 2? Yeah.
He's putting in some screws. I gotta figure out some sort of maybe gate back here. Not exactly sure yet, but We'll get there. Well, we got nothing's open right now. I got these goofy hinges we're trying to work with, and they're like bent and shaped funny. And we got it on there, but it only opens to there, so we're gonna have to reconfigure this a little bit so that you can hopefully open it up further. Alright, we swapped the hinges to the other side of this board, and now it will open all the way up, and we'll just get a little string or something to tie it and hold it open if we need. So busted our butts, we got it all done. We ended up using a lot of this welded wire that we had left over. We had built tomato cages out of this last year.
2 years ago.
2 years ago. It didn't work very well, so we just had it laying around. So we got to repurpose that. We got our hinges, our funny hinges. I think these are like cabinet hinges. Let's show you. So we got drop tailgate. We got this door here. Got a little string. You can prop it open if you need to. And then everything's secure. This doesn't go any further than that. The hinges don't allow it.
Can we leave them here and go inside?
Yes.
Let's go.
Inside. So we got the welded wire up top. We used fencing staples and then staples out of the air nailer. And it goes all the way around. In the front, left enough gap here so we can get to the handle on the toolbox, still open that. And it's actually pretty lightweight. I don't think we're gonna have a problem picking it up and getting it out of here. No, there's not a state pocket here. There's just the two in the back because we got the toolbox. This is where the other state pocket would be. Hope you guys enjoyed watching a little bit of the build. I know I didn't do the greatest job showing you all the steps. So we're busting our butts trying to get it done because we got to go get goats tomorrow, and I didn't plan on doing this today. But we got it done. Boys were big help, huh, boys?
Yeah!
So let us know down below if you got any questions. If not, catch you guys later.
Go.